Now we solve next problem. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the AP A1, A2, A3 and so on if it is known that A1 plus A5 plus A10 plus A15 plus A20 plus A24 is equal to 225. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of AP. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of AP. So first we want to find the sum of first 24 terms. It means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus and so on plus A24. But given that A1 plus A5 plus A10 plus A15 plus A20 plus A24 is equals to 225. We know that in AP sum of first and last term is equal to the sum of the terms which are equal distance from beginning and end. It means A1 plus A24 is equal to A5 plus A20 is equal to A10 plus A15. It means this will be equal to 3 times A1 plus A24 or is equal to 225. So A1 plus A24 will be equal to 75. It means a value of A1 plus A24 is 75 here. But we want to find here sum of the 24 terms. So using rules, sum of first term and last term is equal to the sum of the terms which are equal distance from beginning and end. It means this will be equal to 12 times of A1 plus A24. And value of A1 plus A24 is given here, or will be equal to 12 into 75, or will be equal to 900. It means sum of first 24 terms is 900 here. Now we solve next problem. If the sum of first m terms of an AP is the same as the sum of first n terms, then so that the sum of its m plus n term is 0. Let A be the first term. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of given series. So sum of first m term Sm is equal to m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. And sum of n term is given here. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Given that Sm is equal to Sn, it means m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d will be equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This cancel by this. So we find 2ma plus m square d minus md is equal to 2na plus n square d minus nd, or will be equal to 2a into m minus n plus m square minus n square into d minus d into m minus n is equal to 0. So m minus n is common here. So we find 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. So either m minus n equal to 0 or 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. But we want to find here sum of m plus n term, so as m plus n will be equal to m plus n by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is sum of m plus n term. But value of 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is 0. So m plus n by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. It means sum of s m plus n term is 0 here. Hence proved. Now we solve next problem. The sum of n term of two arithmetic progression are in the ratio 3n plus 8 ratio 7n plus 15. Then the ratio of their 12th term is. Let A1 and A2 are first term and D1 D2 are common difference of two series. Let A1 A2 be the first terms and D1 D2 be the common difference of two series. Then nth term Sn will be equal to first series n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d, and sum of n term for second series Sn dash will be equal to n by 2 into 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. This is d1. But given that their ratio Sn upon Sn dash is equal to 3n plus 8 divided by 7n plus 15, and Sn is given here n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 upon n by 2 into 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. This cancel by this, or a1 plus n minus 1 by 2 into d1 or a2 plus n minus 1 by 2 into d2 will be equal to 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. But we want to find here ratio of their 12th term, and 12th term of this series will be equal to a1 plus 11 d1. For second series a2 plus 11 d2. So in this term, if we put n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 11, then we find n minus 1 will be 22 or n will be equal to 23. So if we put n is equal to 23 here, then we find a1 plus 11 d1 upon a2 plus 11 d2 will be equal to 3 into 23 plus 8 divided by 7 into 23 plus 8, or this will be equal to 77 upon 176, or this will be equal to 7 upon 16. So ratio of their 12th term is 7 upon 16. It means 7 raised to 16 here. This is the answer of this problem.